Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy S&P 500 on Interactive Brokers. First, you'll need to open an Interactive Brokers account. This involves an online application where you provide personal and financial information. Be ready to upload documents like your passport or national ID and proof of residency, such as a bank statement or utility bill. The verification process usually takes about 1 to 3 business days, so plan accordingly before you can start trading. Once your account is verified, the next step is to fund it. Log into your Interactive Brokers client portal and navigate to the Transfer and Pay section. You'll find various deposit methods, including direct ACH transfers, bank wires, or even services like Wise for international transfers. It's crucial to include your Interactive Brokers account number in the transfer reference to ensure your funds are correctly credited to your account. Funds may be available within 1 business day, depending on the method. With your account funded, you're ready to buy an S&P 500 Exchange Traded Fund, or ETF. These funds track the S&P 500 index. Use the search bar in the Interactive Brokers platform to find an ETF like SBY or VOO by its ticker symbol. Once you've selected your preferred ETF, click the Buy button to bring up the order ticket. Here, you can specify the number of shares you wish to purchase or a dollar amount if you're buying fractional shares. When placing your order, you'll choose an order type. A market order executes immediately at the current market price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay. Always review your order details, including any commissions, before submitting. After your trade is placed, you can monitor its status and your portfolio performance within the platform. For more details on the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals, check the link in the description below. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.